Hello everyone, welcome to Chapter 10. Chapter 10 is a very interesting chapter. It's about HIPAA. You're going to get a lot out of it. Before we move into that though, reminder, your Chapter 9 review questions are due October 23rd by end of day. Finish those review questions. It's really important that you do them on time. You can't really accept late work, so make sure you have your Chapter 9 review questions due October 23rd. In the day finished. So move on to Chapter 10. Chapter 10 is about HIPAA. It's really interesting. There's a little bit of a different dynamic about this week's module. You're going to have, of course, your lecture and then your review question, which you have to just do by Sunday at midnight. So far, so good with you guys doing that. And then you have a HIPAA quiz. So based on what you learn in the review, you need to take a HIPAA quiz in order to be compliant with law and ethics material that we learned here today. So that is a really important part of this module. Make sure you do this. You cannot miss this quiz. It is 100% required. It's something that's due for accreditation, and we absolutely have to do this quiz. So make sure you get the quiz done. Other than that, it's a pretty straightforward chapter. I think you guys are going to do just fine. I really look forward to reading your chapter lecture question feedback. A lot of you though are only putting 1 or 2 sentences, and I'll ask you a question in response to that. If I ask you a question and my response, it usually means you're not writing enough. So make sure you put a little more effort into it if you only have 1 or 2 sentences in there. Other than that, you guys are doing great. If you have any questions, please let me know. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I look forward to reading more of your lecture questions and grading your quiz. Thanks so much.